Alright, welcome back everyone. This is going to be another video on SE16H, and we're going to talk about the grouping minimum function of SE16H. We're going to pick an easy table here in S4 HANA system, the Business Partner General Data, and we've done a previous video on grouping, so just wanted to touch on this one here, the grouping minimum. So I'm going to deselect all on the output here, and we're going to pick the business partner grouping, no relation to the grouping minimum here. But let's go ahead and run this, and you can see I've got 9 business partner groups, and looks like I've got about 5 of them that only have one entry. So if I back up and say my grouping minimum is simply 2, it should drop those 5 entries. Let's go ahead and rerun this query. And there you go, it dropped those 5 and I've only got 4. And then I've got one here that's got 2 and 4. So if I back up one more time and say my minimum is 5 and run that, notice I'm now only down to 2 entries. I can back out again and remove that and run it again, and I should get all 9 entries back. And there they are. So very simple query, probably a little useless, but at least demonstrates how you might be able to use grouping minimum. Thank you for watching today's video.